Welcome back, everybody. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Yes, I know it's been a minute. My apologies. Life happens. You saw the opening shot. You saw the Blake, the BROOKSLINE Drum out of Texas, made by James Brooks and Ryan Newland. I will have information more about the drum in there. Now, my buddy Ricer always says, you get a new pit, cook chicken on it. We're not doing that today. We have a 14.5 pound prime brisket back here. We're gonna throw on the Blake. Now, truth be told, I already used the Blake one time after the burn in. We did turkey with it at the Worthington KCBS competition. We brought home a third place turkey with it out of 34 teams. So we're not too upset about that. So we're gonna backyard trim this brisket. I'll give you a couple pictures of that. Bring you out when we fire up the Blake. All right, look at that, needle up, just a tick, literally over 300. Brisket, you saw the shot earlier. It has been on for 2.5 hours. Let's take a peek. What do you say? Looking good. And the Blake is definitely doing its job. Come back in another hour and a half. All right, as you can see, got a little fat render and we bumped up to about 310, but let's take a peek. Ooh, doggy, she is looking pretty. Another hour, we will wrap. All right, you all saw the brisket, the cross section, the slices when it was done. This video isn't so much about the brisket as much as it is about getting to know the Blake, the BROOKSLINE drum. I'm very happy with the way it ran. I adjusted the vents one time after I got it set. It started rendering a little fat because of the fat cap on the bottom. So I had to dial it back a little bit. It was creeping up. That's the only time I adjusted the vents. Runs like a dream. Very, very happy with this. You see the powder coat paint, the bright green accents on it, I think is cool. So Ryan, James, job well done, gentlemen. I'm proud to say I own this pit. So if you do that, either backline fabrication, Brooks Drum Smokers. I know they're working on the websites and everything for BROOKSLINE Drum Smokers. Check them out. Have yet to meet James. I've met Ryan a few times. Great guy. Him and I got a little back and forth banter. And for those of you who don't know, he has a really cool middle name. Take a guess what it is. Leave that in the comments. But as far as the brisket, we ran Uncle Steve's cow shake and SPG. That's all we did on it. And that brisket was actually for a customer. Gave it to him. I'll be giving it to him tomorrow. So I will let you know the feedback on that. But thanks everybody for sticking around and watching. Might be a little something special at the end. See you next time. Welcome back, everybody. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Yes, I know it's been a minute. My apology. Life happens. You saw the opening picture. You saw the Blake, a BROOKSLINE drum from James Brooks and Ryan Newland out of Texas. I will have more information on who to get a hold of.